Hello students, today we'll start with question number 6 of exercise 1.3. So what is the question? A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. That is, the present room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and every hour it is decreasing by 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, now if it is happening in this way, then what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Now let's write the statements. Now the present room temperature is what? 40 degrees Celsius, isn't it? Now decreasing the temperature every hour. How much temperature is decreasing every hour? 5 degrees Celsius. Now students, you have to understand, as because the temperature is decreasing, so we'll take this as minus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, we'll consider this as minus 5 degrees Celsius. So you can write this as minus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, now room temperature after 10 hours will be what? Obviously this is the present room temperature which I have written, plus the temperature decreased after 10 hours. So every hour if temperature decreases by minus 5 degrees Celsius, then after 10 hours how much temperature it will decrease? So 10 into minus 5 will be what? Minus 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, now if you open this bracket, that is plus minus, so we will get minus sign. So 40 minus 50 degrees Celsius is what? Minus 10 degrees Celsius. I hope you have learned how to solve this. Plus minus is what, student? Minus. So 50 minus 40 is what? 10. Now which number is greater? 50. Fine. 50 is carrying what sign? Minus. So I have given minus sign out here. So finally we will conclude the question answer as, thus room temperature after 10 hours is minus 10 degree Celsius. Okay students, let's move on to question number 7. Now question number 7 has 3 questions. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 I will explain later. Now what is the question they are saying? See, in a class containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. That is, what is the total number of questions? 10. Now if anyone answer one correct answer, then he would be awarded 5 marks for each question. And if in case anyone answers incorrect, then for each incorrect answer a person will score what? -2. So this is the description they have given about the examination. Now there are 3 characters. The first will start with Mohan. See, Mohan. Okay, 2 more characters are there in question number 2 and in question number 3. Now what is Mohan is doing? See, Mohan gets 4 correct answer and 6 incorrect answer. So out of 10 question, Mohan has given 4 correct answer and 6 incorrect answer. So what is the score of Mohan then? So let's begin with this solution. So Mohan gets marks for 4 correct answer. So for each correct answer, how much marks it will score? See, 5. So that means 4 into 5, he has scored 20 marks from this 4 correct answer. Now, but at the same time, he gets marks for 6 incorrect answer. That means 6. He also replied 6 incorrect answer also. For that, how much he scored? As because in the question it is written that for each incorrect answer, how much anyone will score is -2. So that means 6 into -2, that is equals to -12. So what is the total marks? So in total, when we write total, what we do? We do addition. So this is the marks for 4 correct answer and this is the marks for 6 incorrect answer, isn't it? So we have to add it. So 20 plus under bracket -12. First we'll solve this 2 sign. Plus minus is what? Minus. So 20 minus 12 is what? 8. So this is the marks what Mohan has scored from 10 questions. Okay, let's move on to 7 number question number 7, sum number 2. Okay, sum number 2. Now see, there is another character, Reshma. So what Reshma did? Reshma gets 5 correct answer and 5 incorrect answer. Fine. So what is her marks? So the same we will do. Reshma get marks for 5 correct answer would be what? For each correct answer, how much he will score? She will score 5. So she has given how much 5 correct answer? 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. Okay. Now at the same time she also made 5 mistakes. So she gets marks for 5 incorrect answer would be 5 into minus 2. Why minus 2? Because for every incorrect answer it will be scored as, it will be taken as minus 2. So she has answered how much incorrect answer? 5. So 5 into minus 2 is what? Minus 10. So her total score would be 25 plus minus 10. So plus minus is minus, 25 minus 10 is 15. So Reshma scored 15 marks from 10 questions. Now the last character we'll discuss, that is Hina. Now Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answer. Now how many questions were there? 10 questions were there, out of which she scored 2 correct and 5 incorrect. So altogether 7 questions she attempted. Now, and the 3 of the questions she has not attempted. Okay, now in the question it was given, if anyone has not attempted any question, for that will be taken as 0. Okay, that is for 3 questions she should not scored anything. So let's talk about the 2 correct answer first. So Hina gets marks for 2 correct answer is what? Again 2 into 5, that is 10. Now she gets marks for 5 incorrect answers, that means 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. Now what is our total score then? 10 plus, inside the bracket, minus 10. So we'll open the bracket, plus minus is what? Minus 10 minus 10 is 0. So Hina scored 0 marks from those 10 questions. Okay. So for this period you will solve these 2 questions, and in the second period I will come up with question number 8. Okay students, thank you.